In this video, I'm going to show you how to emulate a boot crash so that you can fix it using a restore point. But before we begin, I insist that you do this experience on your virtual machine. Don't do that on your PC or laptop. Never play with this on your physical computer, okay? So the first action you need to accomplish is to create a manual restore point. Very important. If you don't have a restore point, you can't get your system back to a functional state. Next, after creating the restore point, you need to change your registry key to prevent Windows 10 from booting correctly. To do that, open the registry editor by typing regedit in the Windows Start menu. Expand the ASCII local machine entry, then expand system entry, expand the current control set, services, then search for the store AHCI entry. On the left side, double-click on the start key and change its value from 0 to 4. The value 4 will prevent Windows from starting this critical driver at the boot and hence lead to the system crash. After changing the registry key, restart Windows. You will see the blue screen with an error message. Then your system will start a second time and try to fix the error automatically. After it fails to repair the issue, it will prompt you to use advanced options to troubleshoot that. From there, restore your system using the restore point. Now it's your turn.